Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, power lift gate, four-wheel independent suspension, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, speed control. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.